It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback like this. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile, but it also serves to remind us how important it is to provide everyone with the best service possible. We believe that our future success comes from our success today. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're only one call away from serving you.